We're here in New England. It's early spring, doing some renovation pruning, thinning. We've got some evergreen viburnums here, some frog viburnums. They get quite leggy where the top is vigorous and the bottom is bare. So we're pruning it almost like bamboo. We're taking out some of the canes that tend to be leggy, like just foliage on the top. And then what remains is from being close to the ground up to about 8 or 9 feet, it's relatively full. And we're taking the vigor out that's on the top, cutting it almost all the way to the ground. That's how we're achieving that. If we had made lots of cuts, that it tends to encourage bursts of growth. So the plant basically gets top heavy. If the top is trimmed too much, it gets very top heavy. So by thinning it, taking the canes all the way to the ground, it encourages it to stay full.